kan også være, at han blev lidt våd i går måske.
Jeg skal lege med drone.
De er sure. Ej. Er de uvenner? De er meget sure i hvert fald.
De er ikke uvenner, de er glade. De kan godt lide hinanden.
Tak, Emma.
Nej, tak.
Stop.
Nej, nej.
Stop sidste gang. Hey, stop sidste gang. Stop sidste
Punkten er tilgængelig. Hvad mener du med den?
Ja. Hey.
Hey.
Ja.
Løser.
Ja.
Er du været parat, Jason? Så gå. Skal vi gå? Hej, Jason.
Ja.
Alright, ready to go. Wait. Nej. Hun kommer nu. Alright, there goes Nadja and Jason in the bus. And here I go on the wheel. I just gave them a demonstration here. They were waiting at the bus stop. I just went very fast back and forth so he could see the full power of the wheel. He's excited. He wants one himself. And for me to teach him how to ride. It's a beautiful day, but it's not as warm as you would think it is. I'm gonna go to Husum now, to my cousin. Even if it's early. Let's see if he's even awake. Guys, I'm in Husum now. Just waiting for my cousin to finish working out. And then, I don't know. I guess we're gonna see our common friend later. Maybe. I don't know if he has time, if he has to work today. Let's see. Just been chilling out on the couch up in my cousin's place. Editing a little bit. Now I'm going to get something to eat. Yeah, my cousin told me there's a good burger place over here. Hulk's Burger House. Let's check it out. It's right over here on the corner. Allegedly it's good. Let's try. Oh wow, this place looks pretty closed down. Oh yeah, there we go. Closed. And for rent. So yeah, I guess this place wasn't very successful. maybe it's alright that I'm not gonna be able to check it out. Oh, let's head back into Husum Main Street. Get some delicious food. Got a burger. Mango. Oh man, that was a great burger. Check it out. Mix some candy too.
Om det er Pause eller noget. Det er lidt, hvor der var OG'er. Nej, der var OG'er. Hvor fra det her. Men jeg tror, altså, men den var der stadig i hovedet for. Ja, det er samme nu. Men jeg kunne mærke, lige så snart jeg prøvede at finde den, ikke? Bare sådan, nej, jeg troede meget ved ro i dag. Jeg drikker. Har du prøvet også at afleveringer her, så der er tempus.
Hey guys, I'm in this spot again. Yeah, I'll point my light down so you can see. Pretty nice tunnel. I'm gonna be going through a lot of these tonight. I'm going, 48 kilometers home. It's gonna be a nice, brisk evening ride. But you know what? I'm enjoying these long rides, and it shows on the odometer. I got 1,500 kilometers on this thing already. I could have gotten more, I guess. But I'm moving up there as a veteran rider who's put down riding for the most part for a long time. So it feels nice having some evening rides, some long rides, just a lot of riding in general. Kind of get my body ready for the large backpack and even more riding. Oh, let's go. I love electric unicycles, man. They just make life so much easier, so much nicer. It's like being a little superhero. You can just go from A to B in no time, and yeah, I just love it. Especially with this box I'm building now. I just tested something at my cousin's place today. Yeah, this box is it's gonna be really nice. Being able to use solar to charge up the wheel and all that. It's gonna be life-changing. Soon is ready. But now I'm gonna go a bit faster, guys. Check out what I just had to get under. All of a sudden this just showed up. It's pretty cold out here. I can see my breath. I don't know. Let's keep going. Still a long way home. There we go, guys. I got tea. I'm hanging out with Stony. I got some of these trassama as well. These pastries. And I'm watching some YouTube. Oh, it's nice. That was a long and cold trip, guys. I'm ready to just relax, fall asleep.